Hey everyone, it's Philip from Easy Unreal, and today I'm checking out a few really solid free assets I found on the Fab marketplace. Great if you're building out some environments or testing new Unreal ideas, so let's take a look. First we have construction props. It's basically a full kit for making construction sites in Unreal, and it's all semi-modular, so you can piece things together however you want. You get around 120 assets, including walls, scaffolding, cones, tools, decals, all that stuff, and there are a few ready-to-use examples too, like small construction zones you can just drop into a scene. It also plays nicely with the neighborhood prop specs, so if you're building a city or urban area, this one fits right in. Next up we have a 2-in-1 Nanite Environment Bundle. This includes two big landscapes, one's lush natural area and the other's a volcanic environment with cliffs, rocks and lava flows. So everything's Nanite and Lumen ready, so it looks crazy detailed. The lava and the eruption effects use VDB caches instead of real-time particles, so they're meant more for cinematic scenes or high-end shots. If you're into environment art or cinematic design, this one's great base to start from. And finally we got Robot 3. It's a clean low-poly robot fully rigged for Unreal 5 with modular parts and customizable colors, dirt layers and emissive settings. It comes with both an assembled model and separate parts if you want to kit bash or swap out components. Perfect for quick animations, testing motion or adding character to a sci-fi scene. So that's it, 3 really nice free assets you can grab right now on the Fab marketplace. Great for prototyping, learning or even building out full cinematic environments. If you want to check them out, I'll drop all the links down below. And thanks for watching, and if you're into Unreal content like this, feel free to stick around for more, and see you in the next one.